Hey, hello everyone. This is Satish. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to use social media effectively or use social media as a base for digital journaling. I was searching on the internet to look out for the social media platform effective, or I don't see a lot of content on this topic. I'm also going to share my experiences on how to use them effectively so that it can very useful for you as well, because we all live in this digital era where we also have our own social platform accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. The social platform provides a lot of features like posting your thoughts and communicating with your friends, family, sharing pictures, and so on, right? So have a, I know everyone have a question around the privacy here. Yes, the privacy is very much well within your hands, right? So you gonna restrict who gonna watch this, who can be searching this hashtag, and so on. So why I'm talking about this is because maybe you can set your friends alone to view all your pictures. So if your friends are not maybe they might be offline from Facebook or Instagram, they might have detoxed the social platform, and they would want to go back and check. All if they ask you, you all you need to do is just share them the hashtag that what you have for that particular travel.
Okay, in this demo, we're gonna see how this hashtag is going to work. This is my profile on Instagram. I told you about digital journaling. There's one such. So you can see that I have a few hashtags that I already use. So this is one of which. So if you look at, if I put this one, you can see almost 22 posts that I have already added with this hashtag. So which means every time whenever I want to go back and check that, I can just click on this hashtag which I remember, and you can see a lot of pictures that I have tagged along with it with my wife. So that's pretty much the hashtag functionality.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below, and to click on the red button, subscribe, and click the bell icon next to it, which is very important so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you.